Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the block channels on your account on Kick easy and quickly. First of all, enter the Kick. Then here we find this. So as you see here, you are on the home page. So click on this profile section, and as you see here, we find the block channels. So click on it. Now as you see here, we find no block channels. So you have to find this block channel list doesn't have any block channels yet. So your account might be some block channels here if you want to check. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.